Hello you guys, good morning. Today is Monday, August 6th, and I did a little shopping, and I wanted to share it with you guys before I end up using them. So let me try and find a place where I can set up. Please excuse my attire. I am recovering, so this is what it's like to be at a recovery house in Santo Domingo when you're recovering. So this is a trend over here, you guys. All right, let's see. I'm gonna have to use one of my surgery sister's nightstands so that I can try and film this video. Let's see. Okay, that can work. I'll be right back. Whew, I almost tripped. Okay, this cord is like on the way. Okay, so as some of you guys know, on my last video that I have posted on to YouTube, I mentioned to you guys that I was having surgery at the Dominican Republic. So this is where I'm at currently, and I am recovering. Everything's going great. Sorry, I feel a little out of breath. The compression with this faja, my body is just not in the right condition to like, whew, I get out of breath really fast. Let me just slow it down a little bit. Okay, so I started feeling better, and I'm recovering very well, thank God. So I ended up going to the mall with the surgery sister, and I am a Louis Vuitton addict, and I said to myself, and I told my husband, I'm gonna buy myself a recovery present / a souvenir. So I googled Louis Vuitton here, and I found out that at the BLUEMALL here at Santo Domingo there's a Louis Vuitton store. So we ended up getting an Uber, drove us to the mall. It's probably about 15 to 20 minutes from where I'm staying, and we get to the mall. It's a really nice mall. We enter through the JW Marriott. Looks really nice and fancy, you know. When I walked in, there was a sushi restaurant. I saw Cartier. Who else did I see? I'm making a video. What else did I see? They have Zara. They have like all these higher end clothing stores. There's Rolex. What else did I see? So Louis Vuitton was in there, of course. So I just ended up going to the Louis Vuitton store. I wasn't sure what I wanted to get. I had an idea. So this is what I ended up getting. Let's start up with this little box right here. Okay, I don't even have to undo it. Super cute. There's a drawstring bag, and it's this is the item number. The care little tag, and then this is the little cute, this is my souvenir from Santo Domingo. Isn't this cute? It's just the double canvas bracelet with the lock. I just thought it was so cute. So that's one item that I got. I am swollen at the moment, but let's see. can't even see with these boobs. All right. I can't do it. I can't snap it on because I need to, but that's how it'll look. Super cute. All right. The next item that I ended up purchasing, that will be my recovery present. The bracelet is the Souvenir, and this is a recovery present coming up. Let me just put this back. Whew. Out of breath. Right. This is a Louis Vuitton box, and this is, some of you may know, this is a shoe box. It's a pair of shoes. And these are the shoes I ended up getting. These are the Gloria loafers in the black leather with the LV logo and the flowers with the gold hardware. So these are my recovery presents to myself, and that is what I ended up getting here at the Louis Vuitton store at the Blue Mall. Oh my goodness. If you guys have any questions in regards to where I'm staying, the process, or anything like that, go ahead, comment down below and let me know. Everything's going great so far. I leave tomorrow, so there are a couple of things that I need to do before I leave in regards to picking up fajas and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, just a little peekaboo on what it is that I got. I'm gonna try and see if I can film a little tour around the recovery house that I'm staying at and give you guys some input on my experience. So until next time, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Oh.